Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best car dashboard dash cam. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Podofo Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Podofo. Display, IPS. Camera resolution, 1280 by 720. Video format, AVI, MP4. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 1. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 9.88 inches. Interface, AVN, AV out. Chipset manufacturer, all winner. Frames per second, 90. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 on our list is 4K Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Dvr. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, 1/3 Sony CCD. Pixels, 200 mega. Display size, 11.3 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, all winner. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 365 days. Number 3 on our list is Imagebon 11.3 inches Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Imagebon. Display, IPS. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 800 mega. Interface, AVN, USB 2.0, micro SD, DF. Chipset manufacturer, Rackship. Frames per second, 30. Number 2 on our list is Dvr Carplay. Specifications: brand name, Nvgia. Aperture, f1.8. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, DS, MP4. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, 1/3 color CMOS. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 11.3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, all winner. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 365 days. Number 1 on our list is Podofo 11.3 inch CarPlay. Specifications: brand name, Podofo. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 4:3. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 1. Interface, AVN. Chipset manufacturer, all winner. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Certification, CE.